Hello guys and welcome right back to my channel. Today I am super excited because of what I am going to be bringing out for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. So I decided to get me a kit and then learn by myself. And I thought, hey, why not make a video out of it so that if there are people out there who also are considering learning like myself, they could go ahead and watch my videos and try along with me. So right now I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video. I love unboxing videos. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the things I got. They are very basic. So right here I have got my LED UV lamp. Okay, this is 48 watts. I was going to get less, but the person from whom I got it, when I got to the store, they explained to me that the less is not so good for gel nails, in case you want to do your gel nails. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. Okay, okay, this is what it looks like. It's wrapped up in this, I don't know what to call this, but I imagine it's for shock. And ta-da! It's quite weighty. I will tell you, when I got to the store, I saw there was another one. It was pink in color. It didn't have this this part, this under part. Okay, it didn't have this under part. It was just like this, and it was very light. This is a little bit heavier as compared to the other one, and it's written here, model Sun 5 or S, I'm not sure. UV LED nail lamp, power 48 watts, rated input 240 volts, 50 on 60 hertz, 1A, made in PRC. Yeah, China made. No, but this was imported way before the corona period, I'm certain. Okay, y'all don't come for me in the comment section. Okay, and it has this part, that shows you the timing. You understand? You time it here. Here it's written, oh my god, I'm not sure how to put this for y'all to see. Here, 10 seconds. So if I press here, it'll time for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and low heat mode. Okay, on and off. All right, and here there's a number of these. In the other one, the pink one that had less, that was made of less watts, it had fewer of these lamp outlets, I think. Yeah, it had few. Of course, I'm sure it had fewer of them. I said I think because I wasn't sure how to call it. I am not sure. Then there's this, which is just the bottom. Now you can take this off if you have to treat your legs, like you want to put it for the feet. Right, you put it on the floor and you're good to go. So, oh my god, I hope I don't break this. This was almost a fortune. And there's this. All right, I'm going to get, okay, no. So I got me, this is just the first, and these were, I'd say, expensive. So I got just these four. These are not different colors, because like when you're putting I know how to say it in Turkish, kalıcı oje. I'm not sure how to say it in English. Okay, no, it is permanent nail polish. Good, this is permanent nail polish, but each of them have different purposes. So all of this is just for one application, right? This is the UV gel polish. This is the color, I took green. What a choice. Yeah, well, I took green. It's a nude color. And then this is the primer. This is what you put on the nail before you start the general application. Probably, yeah. So this is the primer, you know, like in makeup, you put your primer first. And this is the top coat. That's after you've put the color, you put this on top. It gives it the perfect finish. I know because I've seen it done on my nails, okay? In case you're wondering. Then the base coat, which is what you put after putting the primer. Alright, they all look exactly the same, but it's written beneath. I'll just tag it on it, like tag these, so that I'll be able to tell the difference without turning it upside down. So I got those, and I got this as well. This is the magic. Okay, so this is the acrylic monomer, and this is the acrylic powder. Okay, these two together and you have yourself perfect application of, no, plus the brush, but all together you get yourself a perfect application of acrylic nails, guys. So this is from Moziur acrylic liquid. It's written on it, for professional use only, non-yellowing. Okay, I'm not a professional, I think I've gone against the first rule. Non-yellowing formula, keep out of reach of children. Contains ethyl methacrylate and other monomers. N-dimethyl p toluidine. All right, this is so not important. This is 150 mils, and this is 120 mils. So guys, if you would like to see more of these videos, today I'm going to be doing just the review of these products, and if you would like to see more of these videos, like how I installed the, you know, permanent nail polish, or how I found my way around the application of acrylic, you know, the acrylic nails. Stay tuned, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Please share to your guys, your girls, whoever. And please also make sure to let me know what you would like me to film on my channel, what you would like to see, what you would like to occupy yourself with during this quarantine period. I'm here for you guys. Stay tuned.